Top 3 Best Vacuum Cleaner. Number 3. Auric Commercial BB900DGR. The Auric Commercial XL Pro 5 Super Compact Canister Vacuum, model number BB900DGR, is a redesign of Auric's corded compact canister vacuum. The older version was best known for the commercials where it was used to pick up a bowling ball. What are the pros and cons of this new version of Auric's super compact canister vacuum? The Auric model BB900DGR vacuum comes with a variety of attachments. You can use one of its flat heads on stairs or upholstery, use the wand to clean between items and the wall, and the narrow nozzles for those crevices in furniture or car seats. It comes with a 30 power cord. You won't have to search for an outlet as you try to vacuum every room or even the car outside. However, it is a cord, which many find a nuisance while climbing around a vehicle. Conversely, using a cord means the vacuum won't suffer a decrease in power as the battery runs out. In fact, it won't lose power until your filter starts to clog. Check out the description for more information and updated price. Number 2. Bissell Clean View Swivel. The Bissell Clean View Swivel Rewind PET Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner has a multi-cyclone suction design that's designed to compete with Dyson's. But will it stand up to the tests and truly compare to Dyson? The Bissell Clean View Rewind PET Vacuum is an upright vacuum designed for homes with pets and uses multi-cyclone technology to provide strong suction power across all floor types. The 13.5 wide cleaning path along with the edge-to-edge cleaning feature makes quick work of any vacuuming chore. In addition, there is a carrying handle above the dirt tank to make moving around the house easier. Each accessory tool the Bissell Clean View comes with also has a designated spot on the vacuum. And the automatic cord rewind makes putting the cord away as simple as pushing a button. Number 1. Ufi Robovac 11s. You no longer have to spend a fortune to get an excellent robot vacuum. The Ufi Robovac 11s is an update to one of our favorite budget models, the Robovac 11, and delivers powerful, efficient cleaning performance in a more compact form factor for the same $219.99. While you won't find advanced features like app or voice control, the Robovac 11s is one of the quietest vacuums we've tested, and small enough to clean under just about everything in your home. It's a strong option if you have low clearance furniture or paper-thin walls, though the Ecovac Debit N79S remains our editor's choice for offering phone control and Amazon Alexa compatibility for just $10 more. The Robovac 11s looks very similar to the original Robovac 11. Its circular body is darker in color, which makes the Ufi logo at the bottom slightly less noticeable. On top of the vacuum, check out the description for more information and updated price.